Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Basic Learning. Today I'm going to teach you some major functions of Excel. So we are mostly irritated when we work with huge number of data and our heading get disappeared while just scroll down. So as you see here, if I work here, I really don't know for what heading I'm working here. So for this you need to just go to view and then click on freeze bands and freeze top row, and after this wherever you go you'll just find your heading mentioned there. So apart from that, I'm just going to teach you some highly used functions: count all, count blank, countif, and also the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, upper limit and lower limit using the formula. So let us begin with the count all function. For this I would like to request you to work with the function equals to count a, and then you can select the range, or even you can put the from your keyboard manually. S2 is to S19. Just I'll show you S2 to S19. So it's all upon your choice how you work on it. And then 15 is here, so you can just confirm from here. So if you do here, so you can see here the total count is 15. So it will not count your blank option. So to count the blank you have to put another formula equals to count blank, and again the range S2 to S19, and then bracket close. So 3, as you can see here, we have 1, 2 and 3 blanks here. So if you put here the data, any data 1400, then you just see here the count all will occupy by +1 and it will be reduced by 1. So if we delete 1, so it just get decreased. So using countif function is putting the condition. So let us try here and count how many numbers are less than 1000. So for this equals to count if, and let us put the range S2 to S19, and then comma, and put into inverted comma and put the condition. We need the numbers less than 1000, and again inverted comma close and bracket close. So here we can find the number less than 1000 is let us try from here. So we have 756 and 682. So make sure that it will not count the blank thing. If you put here 0, then it will count. If you put here 150, it will increase, but if you have blank, it will not count. So we can same thing you can just do with here. So equals to count a, and then I2 to I19, and then you will get here the same thing as we have just 2 blanks here. And for count blank equals to count blank I2 to I19. Here we have 2 blanks. So let us use here the one condition to find the number greater than 1000. So equals to count if, and I2 to I19, sorry, it's I2 to I19, then comma and inverted comma, value greater than 1000. So since we have no number greater than 1000 here, so it will show 0. So let us try putting here 1500. So it will just show here 1. So here 2000 and then 2. So this is how we just use